So this video is for Slanman Customs. These over here are the crash racers connectors. They're really good. They've got these pieces on the end to help connect the tracks together because they have that little groove in there, and as you see there's a lip so the track stops here and the track stops here, so you have access to this screw hole. Alright, in comparison, the Hot Wheels connector is also very nice, and it has a screw hole. However, you don't have access to the screw hole like this guy because the Hot Wheels track covers it up. This would be great if you can make it like this with this 1/4 inch, I don't know what do you call it, barrier. Anyway, so you have access to the screw hole. Where's my finger? So you have access to the screw hole and the track stops right here or right here. That would be even better. You don't need this for Hot Wheels. But as long as you have access to this screw hole, this guy right here, I mean over here, this can slide all the way underneath the track, all the way, just zoop and disappears. Alright, so make this like this without that. That's constructive criticism, and I would appreciate it if you worked on it. It'd be so much better. Thanks, Eric. Thanks for watching.